join my Key to Gold channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update.
India is situated in which continent? Answer: Asia. India is located in which hemisphere? Answer: Northeastern hemisphere. What is the total area of India? Answer: 3.28 million kilometers square. What is the percentage of geographical area of India as compared to world? Answer: 2.4%. What is the rank of India in world in terms of area? Answer: 7th. What is the rank of India in world in terms of population? Answer: 2nd. What is the length of India from north to south? Answer: 3214 kilometers. What is the width of India from east to west? Answer: 2933 kilometers. Name the southernmost point of India mainland. Answer: Kanyakumari, which is also known as Cape Camorin. What is the southernmost point of India? Answer: Indira Point, which is also known as Pygmalion Point. Name the India's longest river. Answer: Ganga. Its length is 2510 kilometers. Name the India's largest river. Answer: Brahmaputra. What is the name of India's largest, also world's largest river island? Answer: Majuli Island. Where is Majuli Island located in India? Answer: Assam. Name the river which makes world's largest river island. Answer: Brahmaputra River. What is the name of India's highest dam? Answer: Tehri Dam. Its height is 265 meters. India's highest dam, Tehri Dam, is situated on which river? Answer: Bhagirathi River. It is situated in Uttarakhand. Name the India's longest dam. Answer: Hirakud Dam. Its length is 4.8 km. India's longest dam, Hirakud Dam, is situated on which river? Answer: Mahanadi River. It is situated in Odisha. What is the name of India's longest bridge? Answer: Bogibel Bridge. India's longest bridge, Bogibel Bridge, is situated on which river? Answer: Brahmaputra River. It is situated in Assam. Name the India's highest waterfall. Answer: Jog Waterfall. It is also known as Garsoppa Waterfall. It is situated in Karnataka. India's highest waterfall, Jog, is situated on which river? Answer: Sharavati River. What is the name of India's longest canal? Answer: Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal. What is the name of India's longest beach? Answer: Marine Beach. It is situated in Chennai. Which state of India has longest coastline? Answer: Gujarat. Its length is 1600 kilometers. Which state of India has second longest coastline? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Its length is 974 kilometers. What is the name of India's highest peak? Answer: K2. It is also known as Godwin Austen. Name the highest peak of Himalayas in India. Answer: Kanchenjunga. What is the name of India's largest desert? Answer: Thar Desert. It is situated in Rajasthan. Name the India's coldest place. Answer: Dras in Jammu and Kashmir. The temperature there is minus 45 degrees Celsius. Name the India's hottest place. Answer: Briawali, Rajasthan. What is the name of India's also world's wettest place? Answer: Mausinram. It is situated in Meghalaya. Name the India's only active volcanic area. Answer: Barren Island. It is situated in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Name the India's largest, also world's largest delta. Answer: Sundarbans Delta. It is situated in West Bengal. India's largest, also world's largest delta, Sundarban Delta, formed by which river? Answer: Ganga and Brahmaputra River. What is the longitudinal number of Indian Standard Time? Answer: 82.5 East. How many longitudes are passing through India? Answer: 30. Which imaginary line divides India into equal parts? Answer: Tropic of Cancer. What is the latitude number of Tropic of Cancer? Answer: 23.5 North. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? Answer: 8. Which state of India touches maximum number of neighboring states? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. What is the name of international boundary between India and Afghanistan? Answer: Durand Line. In which state Pir Panjal Pass is located? Answer: Jammu Kashmir. Name the pass which connects Jammu to Srinagar with NH1A. Answer: Banihal Pass. Jawahar Tunnel is situated in which pass? Answer: Banihal Pass. In which state Rohtang Pass is situated? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Kulu Kailong Road is situated in which pass? Answer: Rohtang Pass. Indian Standard Time is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by? Answer: 5.5 hours. What is the difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time? Answer: 5.5 hours.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.